Good morning everyone! Today's video is going to be a travel vlog because I'm currently in Colorado in the USA. I am so excited to be here. We're here in the second week of autumn. So it's currently snowing right now, which as an Australian, I'm so excited to experience snow because I think it just looks so beautiful and I can't wait to take a bunch of photos in the snow. And Colorado is also known for its fall/autumn colors, so I feel like we kind of have the best of both worlds on this trip, which is really exciting. So we just woke up in this town somewhere in Aspen. We're not in Aspen, but we're close by. And right now we're gonna head on a road trip to Telluride. So on this trip, the only camera that I brought with me is the Sony A7III, and I also have the Sony 35mm f2 lens, which I'm currently vlogging and will be filming everything on this lens throughout this trip. And then I also brought the Canon 35mm f1.4 Mark II lens with the Metabones 4 adapter to be able to take a few photos while I'm around as well. So that is pretty much my entire kit for this trip. So I want to get you guys up to date with what we've been doing and stuff like that. And I also wanted to mention that this vlog is going to have, I still want it to be educational, so I am going to talk about cameras and travel photography and stuff like that. So at the moment we've just stopped at a rest stop on the way to Telluride. We've got about an hour left to go on our drive. It was a big 3.5 hour drive, so we've been a long time in the car. This is our third day in Colorado. So we flew from Sydney to San Francisco and then San Francisco to Denver. Then we spent 2 days in the city of Denver walking around, exploring and doing some other stuff as well, which was really fun. The city's really beautiful and it was raining pretty much the majority of the time, but it was still really nice. I really don't mind it when it rains. And then we drove to Aspen yesterday and the road and the drive here was just so beautiful. I loved it so much. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that's been happening. Now we're just pretty much road tripping for the rest of the time that we're here in America. We've got a few really fun locations planned and I think I might make 1 or 2 vlogs of our time here, which I'll upload on Saturdays, so I really hope you guys enjoy these videos. I also can't believe how beautiful the rest stops here are. It's like literally on the side of the highway. Take a look at this river. I'm using my phone to double check where I'm pointing the camera because this doesn't have a flip screen. But yeah, here's a look at the stop. So we're in the town of Ridgway, I think, and there's this really beautiful park and I wanted some photos in front of the autumn trees here. And I have my 35mm lens in this pouch here and I'm filming on the 28, so we're gonna swap them out so we can take some photos here. Driving for a few hours now, but we've almost made it to Telluride. So there was a lake that we wanted to stop to on the way just before we made it to the town, and as we were driving we saw this amazing road. It's just lined with the most beautiful yellow colored aspen trees. So Again, we're all gonna take some photos of each other in front of the trees. Maybe in the middle of the road. We haven't seen a car for quite some time, so we'll see, but otherwise we'll just stick to the side of the road and get some of those trees in the background. Could you feel me? I think maybe we need to get closer. Okay, so we just walked a bit closer to the trees just so it's all you can see in the frame, and I'm filming on the Canon 35, by the way. And I usually like to frame up my shots with Dan, so Dan, could you please stand in the middle? Yeah, so something like that looks so cool. And I'm just off to the side a little bit so you can still see the line of the road, because if I stand directly in front of him, it's kind of like, can't really see anything. So just that little bit to the side looks cool. All right, I'm gonna go take some photos of Dan.
See me through and you polish me up. Oh, I feel brand new. Your street dog eyes anticipate me. I'm a kid again in a vibrant life, like a ghost on marble steps into the rain. Into the rain. You make the weight of the world feel like nothing. Your street dog eyes anticipate me. I'm a kid again in a vibrant.
And we're done. It's pouring rain. Made it to our next stop. It's not focusing. I think it just doesn't like the 35mm. I'm trying to... There we go. Look at this. We made it to... This is Woods Lake. And it is so beautiful, and the lake is just so perfectly reflective, even though it's snowing right now.
Oh, you got mud on the back of your jeans.
No! Oh my god! Look at all that mud! That sucks. And the other side's fine. That's our car. It's fully dirty. That's my Dan. Alright, let's go. Take some pictures. Pictures. So is the A7 III snowproof?
I don't know.
Oh! That was close. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I could be here taking photos forever. Alright, I'm gonna stop recording and take some photos. It's snowing a little bit. I don't know if this will focus on the 35.
Yeah, it's good.
Look at all that snow. And you're in a t-shirt, you're crazy.
Perfectly normal. What are we doing with the snow?
This is Kung, everyone, by the way. I don't think I've introduced you yet. Wow. Alright. This is gonna be my frame right here. A7III is waterproof, and look at my poor microphone. Ah, oopsie.
I need to take another.
Oh, that's such a good Polaroid. Good Dan. So we made it to the beautiful town of Telluride, and it is so gorgeous here. There's like the town area, and I love these cottages or houses, I think they are. That's just the main street of Telluride there. It's pretty much sunset at the moment. We decided to have dinner because it was really snowing and raining really hard, so we didn't want to get too wet. And we were supposed to go and sleep in Utah tonight. We're gonna road trip there, but it looks like it's gonna be sunny here tomorrow. So we're gonna stay for one extra night and spend tomorrow morning just exploring a little bit more, taking a few more photos, stuff like that, and then head to Utah more in the afternoon instead. And I'm just showing you guys around while I'm talking. There's this beautiful river here. It's so pretty. And while we were having dinner, so the fog was completely covering up the mountains and you couldn't see them at all. And now they're slowly clearing up so we can see them a little bit better. Ah, it's so gorgeous here. But yeah, we are gonna start driving to our accommodation, which is about 1 hour away. That is our hire car over there. Let's go! Good morning. Today is our second day of this vlog. We woke up in this beautiful town called Array. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is so pretty. It's just surrounded by all these amazing mountains, and today we finally have sun. I'm so excited because it's just been snowing and raining pretty much the entire time we've been here. So today I actually wanted to film a video for YouTube where we compare the Sony A7 III to the Sony A7S Mark II as a travel camera for vlogging and photography and all that stuff. So hopefully we'll be able to film that today because I really wanted to have like a few more videos in this beautiful scenery aside from just this vlog. Yeah, so we'll see if that happens today. Okay, hopefully you can see me, all double chinny. As I was saying, I really want to film a video for you guys today about cameras. So something that I like to do is I use my notes on my phone to just kind of jot down a outline of everything that I want to do in a video, especially when it comes to comparing camera bodies or lenses, because there are a lot of different aspects and things to talk about when it comes to that. We'll probably film it in like little sections here and there throughout the day, so it's not really a full work day or a full shoot day or anything like that. It's just kind of making the most of the locations that we're in and filming little bits and pieces here and there. Can you hear I'm losing my voice because it was so cold yesterday? So yeah, we're just gonna keep driving. The road up there is actually closed, so we can't go the way that we wanted to, so we're actually gonna head back towards Telluride and back towards the highway that we need to take to go to Utah. So hopefully, well, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of amazing things along the way, so I'm excited. So we just stopped off on the side of the road and we found the perfect location to film our Sony comparison video. I'm so excited. This is just what I've been looking for the whole time. Yellow trees in like an open field. So yeah, we're gonna get filming. If you want to check out that video, it'll be up on my channel. Oh, my lens is dirty. And now we're going to do the stabilization test with the Sony A7S Mark II. Oh my gosh, the names are too confusing. So I'm gonna hit record. By the way, you can see Dan in the background of these shots. So I'm now on the Sony A7S Mark II and we've got stabilization. Hello! So you might notice that we're in a little bit of a different setting. We finally made it to Yosemite National Park, which I'm so excited to be here. I love this place so much. So we ended up driving through Utah. We went to Arches National Park, which was beautiful, and we ended up staying in Salt Lake City for the night. Yesterday we ended up driving all the way through Nevada. It was actually a really cool drive. We thought it was going to be super boring, which kind of was a little bit, but we drove through like this crazy dust storm. The sunset was amazing and it ended up being pretty cool. And this morning we woke up just on the border of California and made it now into Yosemite National Park. I think this vlog has been going on for quite some time. This has been a vlog over 4 different states: Colorado, Utah, Nevada, and California. So I think I'm going to end the video here. I also wanted to mention that all the photos that I shared throughout this video are edited with my Lightroom presets. I really can't wait to get home and like start editing all the photos, because I feel like even though it's sad when the trip is over, at least it's exciting that you get to go through all the photos and the video and stuff that I took throughout the trip. So whatever preset I decide to use for all the photos from this trip, I'll leave it linked down below, and I'm sure I also would have written it somewhere throughout this video as well. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it was educational in showing you some of my thought process behind taking travel photos and things like that. And I'm gonna start a second vlog now, which will be up next Saturday, of our time here in Yosemite. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below your thoughts, what your favorite locations were, what you thought of the Sony A7 III photos, if you like the photos from the 28mm, like I just want to hear everything, so please leave your comments down below. But as always, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Again, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. Bye!